Hey, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling. I'm in a bathroom we just finished remodeling. And originally this bathroom had a deck mounted tub, an arched opening, a closed off shower that was very dark. We completely transformed this bathroom, opening everything up and making it a lot lighter and brighter. We have a freestanding tub, a wet room, a beautiful shower with fixtures, a bench and a niche inside the shower. We have the quartz countertops with all new cabinets. We updated all of the fixtures, giving it a really pretty look. And then we have a really neat makeup mirror as well. Thanks for watching. You can follow us on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. We'll see you on the next video.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm born ready. And this bathroom took on a freestanding tub for the tub. Thanks for watching. Well, what am I saying? To an open wet room with that. Thanks for watching this amazing video of me. Cabinets, everything. Thanks for watching. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and any of the other